Hi. In today's video, we're going to learn how to edit a Figma. To start, open a design. You can select any object you want to edit. Click on the object, frame, shape. If you wish to add something new, you can insert an object. For instance, you can insert various shapes, like a rectangle. Adding text is also an option. Double-click in a text layer to start typing. You can also modify the colors and fills. Select the object and go to Fill section in right bar. Explore the various editing options available to customize your design. You can add an image if you want to enhance your design further. Alternatively, you can drag an image into your design according to your preference, and then you can fill it in to match your vision. There are so many possibilities once you have access to editing. This is the section where you can easily make edits as you desire. You can also select the layout and adjust the layers. Don't forget to try out different effects and explore various other options available to you. This is a simple step to edit in Figma. Thank you for watching.